Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Buffer account in 2026. If you're new to Buffer and want to start scheduling and managing your social media posts, follow this step-by-step guide. First, open your web browser and visit the official Buffer website. On the home page, click the *Get Started ** or Sign Up * button to begin creating your account. Next, enter your email address and create a strong password. You can also choose to sign up using your Google account if you prefer a faster registration process. After entering your information, click Create Account or Continue **. Buffer may ask you to verify your email address. Open your email inbox, look for the verification email from Buffer, and click the confirmation link. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Once your account is verified, sign in to Buffer and complete your profile. You'll then be asked to connect your social media accounts, such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, Pinterest, TikTok, or other supported platforms. Choose the accounts you want to manage and authorize Buffer to access them. After connecting your accounts, you can create your first publishing schedule, customize your posting times, and start creating posts. You can also explore Buffer's dashboard to access analytics, engagement tools, and account settings. If you experience any problems during registration, make sure you're using a valid email address, check your internet connection, and try a different browser if necessary. If the issue continues, contact Buffer support for further assistance, and that's it. You've successfully created your Buffer account in 2026 and are ready to manage your social media more efficiently. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Buffer guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.